Hey guys, I'm here with a review of a new Blizzard from Dairy Queen. It is the Pinata Party Blizzard. Just came out, I believe, yesterday, June 18th. It says here online, limited availability June 18th through 22nd or until supplies last. So I guess it's only available through Monday. Thursday through Monday. Usually Dairy Queen has their Blizzards usually through at least 2 or 3 months, but I guess this might be just a few day thing. Kind of like Starbucks had their certain Frappuccinos that are only available for like a weekend. I'm thinking it's going to be something like this, not unless they decide to keep it around. But anyway, so it says the Pinata Party Blizzard is confetti frosting, cake pieces and cake batter, confetti stars blended into our world-famous vanilla soft serve to Blizzard perfection, garnished with whipped topping and edible glitter. So here's a close-up. I guess that is actually the little speckles on top is the edible glitter, I guess. It's not real glittery. Just looks like kind of like funfetti or something. But that is what it looks like on top there. You can see the little sprinkles mixed into the ice cream, pink ice cream, and then the whipped topping on the top. So here's a picture of it online, and you can see what it looks like a little bit better there. That's what it's supposed to look like inside. It's supposed to have all those little bitty confetti stars and stuff inside there. And it's supposed to have cake pieces in there, supposedly. And cake batter confetti stars. So let's try it out and see what it's like. Okay, I taste the cake piece. Doesn't have much flavor, actually. Okay. I got one of the confetti stars because the confetti star is a little bit crunchy. That tasted a little bit cake batterish. What does it say? Cake batter confetti stars. Yeah, those cake batter, those confetti stars do have a little bit of a cake batter flavor, but the cake piece that I had didn't really have a birthday cake flavor. Yeah, the cake pieces don't really, they're kind of bland. The cake pieces aren't like a really good cake piece. It's kind of like a, almost like a stale cake, if you will. Let me try to get some more of that cake. Yeah, the cake isn't that, excuse me, isn't that great. The confetti stars have a good flavor though. Yeah, you definitely taste that cake batter flavor in the confetti stars. But the confetti frosting, it just says cake pieces. So I guess, I don't know if the cake pieces are necessarily supposed to taste like birthday cake, but they kind of taste like stale cake or something. It's not like a really great cake flavor. And then it's just blended with the world famous vanilla soft serve. And then it's got the glitter and the Cool Whip on top. Yeah, it's okay. I'm not super impressed with this. It's definitely not like a birthday cake flavor at all. You know, they had different kinds of birthday cake things that really have a good birthday cake flavor. The only birthday cake kind of flavor you get in it is those stars, and those do have a little bit of a birthday cake flavor in them. But the ice cream itself and doesn't have any kind of ice cake batter flavor or birthday cake. It just is plain vanilla ice cream. And then the cake pieces itself, like I said, is kind of like a bland, stale cake flavor. I don't think the cake pieces are that great in here. My favorite part is the confetti stars. Yeah, I like the confetti stars because they do have a good cake batter flavor. but I'm just not super crazy about the cake pieces. And I love cake pieces and ice cream, but these just aren't that great in here. Yeah, it's just kind of blah. There's not a whole lot of flavor into it. It's just kind of like a blah cake and just plain vanilla ice cream. The only kind of really strong flavor you get is those, out of those birthday cake confetti stars. So yeah, this is kind of, it's kind of a miss for me. I'd give this like a, I'll give it 2, let me try it again. 2 out of 5. I was gonna say 2.5, but no, it's 2. I'm not that impressed with this. It's just not very flavorful. You would think the Pinata Party Blizzard would just be like busting with flavor and just all kinds of stuff going on, and it's just kind of wank, wank, wank. Yeah, a little underwhelming. It's not quite like a Pinata Party to me. It's kind of like the party is just about to die out. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you've tried it and do you like it, or you just think it's kind of blah and not much flavor except for those confetti stars. Alright, so thanks for watching. Try it out if you want to. The Pinata Party Blizzard, new at Dairy Queen, and this was a small, and I paid $3.69. With tax it was $4.07 for this small, which is pretty pricey for a little small if you ask me, but Dairy Queen's Blizzards are usually pretty pricey. And then I also have the calorie count here on this small Pinata Party Blizzard. It's 800 calories, 39 grams of fat, 300 milligrams of sodium, 107 carbohydrates, and 15 grams of protein. So thanks for watching, and I will see you all in our next video. Bye.